I got my Harbor Freight panels set up today, and I had 3 of them that they had a ground fault, which means that the electricity went right to the ground through the panels themselves. 3 out of 36. You can see the one I replaced right there, because they have to be washed off. They're not as efficient when they're dirty like this. What I did on the back is I put these in 3 different sections. Originally I was going to have them in 2, but it was 2, all these 18, 9 on each level would be hooked in series. But I separated it into the 3, so there's 12. There's 12 here, then there's 6 are tied in here, and then these 12. To bring it down to about 215 volts. And I had to do that in each set of the panels here. These I grounded, every one of them, and the other ones I did not, because actually this pole is grounded. I know because I've been shocked about 3 times because of the ground fault. The electricity goes right to here, and you touch this, bingo! I had 430 volts going through me about 3 times. So I changed it down to 215, and I do have an inverter that can go that low. It's called a string inverter. These are my other panels. They're dirty. We get a lot of dust here because there's a gravel road about 300 yards north of us. Anyway, it's hooked up, and I found out that the Harbor Freight panels are about 68% efficient, and this Xantrex 3300 watt inverter can handle the load if we can get that focused in on it. And that's how much it's producing right now, 316 watts. Since I hooked it up, I put 1.1 kilowatt hours I've produced today. Now, to be fair about it, my other panels are producing 640 watts, and they can produce up to 4,800 watts. They're about 71% efficient. I found out, but there's dirt on them and that stuff, and that's going to lower the efficiency, but as much as 20%. So anyway, that's what I found out about Harbor Freight. You have to be careful with them because some of them have a ground fault, which means they go right to the ground, and that's 430 volts. If you have one of them, that's all it takes. It will go right to your ground and shock you.